So let's say you've hung up your bike and you've done some work on it, and now it's time to bring it back down to the ground. It's still a little bit off the ground and you're not quite sure how to do it. Remember this one thing: going up is easy, going down is dangerous. So how could I possibly make this a little bit safer? Well, I could start with a couple of bungees right up the middle. So just run some bungees from the top beam down to the middle of your bars and make sure that they're, somewhat tensioned. You want them to be able to reach the ground. So you want the bungee to go from there to there with the bike all the way on the ground and not snap. So should your bike tip over or fall either way, the bungee's got it. So let's say you've removed that strap, and you need some extra elements of safety. Put 2 or 3 bungees on it. With a 400-pound bike, yeah, you probably want 4 or maybe 5 bungees on it, but put 2 or 3 on it. And should you slip and the bike suddenly tip over, well, you'll do much better. So let's see what we can do here.